What's up, my friends, and welcome so much to Digital Escape Facebook group. I want to be the first one to welcome you here from Jamar and I, and please know that you are valued, and we're happy that you're here with us to learn and grow with real skills in digital marketing. Now, before we do anything else, I want to make sure that you know that this is a safe place where you can ask questions. Everyone here is very helpful and kind. And then also here in the featured pinned comments, when you get into the group, there is a 90-day workbook. This workbook I put together for over 2 to 3 months, and it's 90 pages to give you literally an overview of everything that you need to do online to get started. And if I have any say in anything that you do when you first start, Jamar and I worked really hard to put together a 6-day escape. It's $6, it's over 10 lessons, and that's going to put you and expedite your journey on your digital marketing experience. If you have any questions on any of that stuff, feel free to ask out, and we are here for your success. Thanks, guys. Welcome.